All right, what I love and hate about YouTube. Man, this is a loaded topic and quite dramatic. I don't mean for it to be that dramatic. I'm going to share all of these reasons with all of you out there. But let's start with the loves first, a little good vibes right now. What inspired this video is I just realized like the other day that I started my channel 5 years ago. It was my 5-year anniversary about 2 weeks ago. And that anniversary made me think of what I love and what I hate about YouTube and what I love and hate about the journey of YouTube. And there's one thing that I realized that I haven't paid enough attention to that this platform has given me. It's you guys. Like, I have not thanked you guys enough. I mean, truly, I just haven't. I think I've just been so focused on creating the best content and, you know, obviously listening to you guys and trying to create things that are trending and make sense in, you know, in what's happening in the world and what you guys are asking for. But I felt as almost if I had tunnel vision and I was only thinking about the content itself. And obviously, you know, I try and answer every single one of your comments, but truly, I really have not verbalized a big, massive thank you to all of you out there. Thank you for your subscribes. Thank you for your good vibes. Thank you for your kind, big-hearted, incredible comments and compliments. And seriously, I have about a 95% positive comment feedback. I mean, that is crazy. I rarely, oh my God, I'm setting myself up right now. Oh, there's a spider up there. Oh, we'll talk about that later. You guys are really receiving and appreciative of the information that I'm putting out there, and you're just so wonderful. And when my husband got in that horrific accident, like all of your well wishes and prayers came pouring in. And even aside from that, just, you know, it can be very vulnerable to put yourself out there and your ideas and your creativity. I mean, this is my world, you know, this is my craft as a celebrity stylist and content creator. Like, this is really my passion. So to put it out there and share it with you guys, and you guys are eating it up and receiving it, and you guys are just so gracious to leave me all these beautiful comments, it just warms my heart. And I just can't thank you guys enough. Thank you. This channel is for you. So what inspired this channel is, you know, 5-6 years ago, I was full-time styling celebrities. I was working on different shows. I was traveling with celebrities. I was styling different productions and commercials. And I was on different television shows, from the Today Show to E! News, talking about fashion and style. But what I realized at the end of the day, I didn't have a ton of creative control. I didn't really have my own community where I could dictate everything. I could dictate what topics I wanted to talk about, what things I wanted to style. I just didn't have that community, because when you work as a stylist for TV shows or for celebrities, there's a lot of outside input from producers to the celebrities. On big shows like the Today Show, you know, they only want certain formats that they know what work for their audience. And I'm like, I want my audience, I want my community. So that is why I started my channel. And honestly, it has been the best and most fulfilling business decision I have made at this chapter in my life. And it is truly all because of you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank YouTube. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my craft with you, and thank you for receiving it and for all of your wonderful comments and voices out there. It seriously, not one of those comments or kind words go unnoticed. I read them in the comfort of my own home, and I'm just so grateful for you. Thank you for allowing me to do what I love to do. Now that we're all cheery and happy and lovey and feeling all the vibes, let's talk about why I hate YouTube. Probably what kind of a lot of you out there are waiting to hear about. So what do I hate about YouTube? I mean, it sounds basic, but I hate that it's digital. I know this sounds ridiculous, but I am an in-person kind of person. And being on YouTube, I mean, I'm talking to you guys, but I can only get so intimate. It's not, you know, sexual. I'm just telling you, I can only connect with you guys so much because I'm looking into a camera lens. I love, to the core of who I am, I'm a communicator. I love people. I love in-person contact. I love to learn about people. I love to know where you came from, what you're doing, what you're striving for, what you're upset about, what's bothering you. Like, I love deep conversation. Digitally, like, talking to you guys on YouTube, it's just not IRL. It's not person to person. I wish I could do this once a week with like all you guys like with me. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm telling you, like, I feed off of and thrive off of communication and person to person interaction. That is truly what makes my heart sing. It's what makes me tick. It's what makes me invigorated and excited about work. I mean, that's why I got into celebrity styling, because I got to work on different productions, you know, every week, every day. It was like new people, new experiences, new setting, new scenery, new set of rules, new projects. Like, I guess you can say I need constant stimulation. But no, I'm telling you. So that's the part I hate about YouTube. And here's the next part, and this could be more sinister. I mean, not sinister, that's like the wrong word, but it just sounded really smart and good. I hate that YouTube, or I feel like YouTube, it's either YouTube or my audience has put me in a box. So many years ago, it was told that, and you need to be consistent. If you're gonna upload, you need to upload the same time, every week. And so I do that. I've uploaded on a Saturday for 5 years, every single Saturday, when I had 1 subscriber and when I had, you know, 200 and some change subscribers. Oh, I don't mean to call the extra some change, like 200 something. Sorry, I keep playing with my hair because I just got a blowout and it's like, whoo, it's like all up in my nose and all up in my lips and all up in this. I need a drink, okay. I'm real passionate here. So then the other rule of thumb on the YouTube platform was to create content that is consistent. Like, your topic, your vertical needs to be consistent. And for me, given my experience as a fashion stylist and style expert on TV, I was like, fashion, I'm doing fashion, I'm doing fashion. And that's also my skill set. I know how to style every size, shape, gender, whatnot, like in a moment's notice for any, you know, script or for any scenario or for any occasion. That is what I do best. I help make people feel good. Like, that's what I do. And then over time, you know, I'm 5 years in, and about last year I was like, I'm more than fashion. I mean, to be honest, you guys, when I'm with my friends and family, I don't talk a lot about fashion. I'm telling you, yeah, obviously people will, you know, ask me certain questions here and there, but I'm not a walking and talking fashion Google. Like, truly, I like to talk about things that are beyond materialism. I like to, like I said, I like to talk about what's going on in the world, in your day, what you're passionate about. I like to get into the nitty gritty of people and what they have going on, and just life events and happy events and sad events. I like to be there. Because of that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna start uploading, you know, different videos, you know, that don't have to do with fashion. I'm going to, you know, maybe let them into, you know, my beauty routine or my life or whatever. So I started doing videos that weren't just like style how-to videos and outfits and trends. And you guys, they weren't doing that well. Now, I'm told that YouTube is not gonna favor the video in the algorithm if it isn't like those how-to and style videos. But then I'm also told that my audience doesn't care about knowing anything about me other than my fashion and style tips. So that's what I need to hear from you is, what is it? Do you guys want to see more? Would you want to see me talk about, you know, I don't know, my experience. I mean, I'm 37 years old. I got a lot of experience as an entrepreneur, as a business owner under my belt. Do you want to hear, you know, tips on how to succeed in certain areas? Do you want to know about my background? Do you want a Q&A of anything? I mean, literally ask me anything. I'll tell you anything. It just can't be like too bad, because then they'll ban the video or like, you know, cancel it out of YouTube, and we don't want to do that. But I want to know if you guys want to learn and know about things in my life or in my world beyond just fashion, how to, and style, because I truly would love to share that with you. And you know, if you say yes, then I'm just blaming it on the YouTube algorithm for putting me in this fashion box that I can't get out of. But YouTube, I want to evolve. I want to do more videos than just fashion. Fashion will always be the foundation and the anchor of this channel, but I need to diversify for my own creativity and just for my own life and evolving with my channel. I mean, we need to evolve. You just can't always do the same thing all the time. Some people can, but for me, like I suffer from chronic boredom, so I need variety. Talking with my hands, getting real passionate here. So that is what I love and hate about YouTube. I really want to open up this conversation right now. I need to hear your voices. What do you guys want to see from my channel? Also, ask me questions. Like, this channel is for you guys. This is why I'm doing it, and I need to hear what you want. Tell me what you want, because you are why I'm here. And thank you so much again and again and again. Thank you, thank you, thank you for letting me do what I love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.